years ago, the people that had my mortgage sold it to someone else, and the first letter I got said nothing can change. And I found out that by law back then, nothing could change. Can a mortgage company do that? Change the payment date? I guess they can.
Well,
they did.
It's a contract.
Yeah.
It's a contract.
But they sold my
Yeah.
agreement to somebody. Does that give them the right to change my agreement without my consent?
No, the second company steps into the shoes of the first company. So it's still a contract.
So she shouldn't have to pay another payment.
It depends on what the contract. If it was very specific about the payment date, then she's good. But I wonder what all steps she took because, and I'm sure she took some, but you know, this is a classic situation where if you contact the mortgage company and explain the situation, sometimes they will cut you some slack for a month or two.
They ought to cut her some slack.
You think so?
Well, yeah, and I didn't think as clearly as you did on that. Your original contract may say your payment's due the 1st, but we have the right to change it to another date.
And it may say that.
May
in
be.
there. See,
So, ma'am, you might want to be in touch with them, and I'm sure you have, or get an attorney to guide you, but go back to them and say, work with me on this. I can make my payments. I just can't double up on payments like you're asking me to do here.
And they put our number up at the end of the show. And then call us. We'll get somebody to look at your contract.
Bob's easy to find here in Tuscaloosa. He'll either help you or connect you with an attorney that can guide you on that, because I think that ought to be resolved. There ought to be a way to resolve that satisfactorily.
And you know, and some people you help because you kind of took an oath to help them, but some people you help because you really want to help.
Absolutely, absolutely.